Your,
Reliable friend.
Reliable friend.
yes. Your Holiness, you continue to be an inspiration, and we are continuing to bring compassion and kindness and wisdom to as many people as we can through our research.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Holiness. Thank you for your life's work. This is my wife, Susan. You've met her.
Krakunda Susan. Mangbujev.
I, as a Buddhist practitioner, is thinking entire sentient being, and particularly the people on this planet. So I myself dedicate to serve them.
Yes.
Okay. Each morning I pray my this body and speech dedicated well-being of people or sentient being of this world.
Your prayers and your action is such an inspiration for us to continue. And because you keep going, Your Holiness, I will keep going.
Thank you. My determination is quite firm. Stand. Okay. Each morning I pray. This very day, my body, speech, mind totally dedicated to the all sentient being of this planet, and particularly we human beings.
You see His Holiness today. He looks to be in good health, and he continues to be such an inspiration and has affected the scientific community in very profound ways. And our work is inspired by all that he's done in his life, and we continue to bring methods to promote human flourishing to many different sectors of our society. And our wish is that he continue to live long and to inspire the change that we need to see.